Alright, what's up everyone? We're actually doing a Tag Thursday, believe it or not. Let's roll that intro. What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel, Small Boring Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So, Tag Thursday's been on a hiatus for a while. The Ruckus and I have been not on speaking terms, you could say, I guess. But there's a tag that's pretty easily gotten for me, and I'm actually on my way. What is a Tag Thursday? It's been so long that let me explain. So, 49cc Scoots is a forum online, 49ccscoot.com. I'll post it up here. And they have a tag game to where it's pretty much just you go out there and ride, try to get the tag. Let's say we're actually on our way to go see something that says hot tub, like a hot tub sales store place, or I don't know, somewhere that has a hot tub. And then once I get there, I'll take the picture, and by the rules you're supposed to take a picture of what you want somebody to get next. So we'll look around and see what we can find, and then we'll post it so you guys know how the game is played. It's open to any scooters. If you guys want to create an account on 49cc Scoots, you're more than welcome to. It's full of people that are actually really helpful and pretty cool overall. Every now there's like a little trophy. It's more for bragging rights at the end of the year. How you doing? And yeah, so you can come over and play. I'll try to play as much as possible. I've been kind of MIA from the game for a while, but I do love playing, and it's a great game. Oh man, it feels good to ride again. It's been about a month since the last time I rode. It's supposed to be like a hot tub place up here. We'll take a picture of it, we'll post it, and since we're pretty close to some other restaurants there, what we'll probably do is just take a picture of a restaurant. Or, I don't know, we'll figure it out. We're going here, let's see, it's supposed to be here somewhere. Down, massage, hot tubs, come on, pools and spas. Please tell me there's a hot tub sign somewhere. Above ground pools, really? Hot tubs. It does say hot tub. And we'll go ahead and take a picture that actually says hot tubs. And what we'll do is probably just do a dentist. It's close by. Easy peasy. Advantage dentist.
Eventually.
Alright, so I took a picture at the dentist's office and posted it. It's still good, so I got a point. And now I'm just gonna ride around for a little bit. Let's see. But yeah, so you go ahead, you post it up, and then you post the new score. You post the next tag, and then anybody from the forum can go in there and post their response to it, and then go from there. It's a pretty cool game. It's one of the games that allow me to start getting into the forums. Sometimes it's a little daunting when you go in there, you're still learning, even if you just have a stock scooter or stock bike and you're really new to the game, one of those things is the ride game. It gets you out and about, learning, getting some more practice while riding, and also when they see that you're posting things, they're more than likely to help you in the long run later on. So just keep that in mind. It's pretty fun. It's pretty awesome. And if you want to join, go ahead. I'll leave the link below. The guy that, I guess the admin for the site actually has a YouTube channel. He's got all sorts of cool DIY things for scooters. If you have any questions, he's got so many good reviews and videos about him. He explains things pretty well, and he's a pretty cool dude. So if you like the return of Tech Thursday, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see what else I have, subscribe. If you want to make sure you don't miss anything that I post, make sure to hit that bell so you're notified every single time I post something. And until next time, guys, keep causing a ruckus. Spass out. Later. Alright, so the charging system is working. The battery is definitely shot. There's really not much power left in that battery. But I'm able to start the ruckus now. I went ahead and ordered that little relay, the blue relay. It should be coming in next week sometime. I'll pop that in and see if that's the issue. If not, then I guess there's definitely an open circuit somewhere.